Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be covering the momentum pullback scalp strategy. This strategy uses 5 indicators, which would be the momentum indicator, pivots indicator, trend meter, MPS levels, and the trailing stop indicator. For the trend meter, you're going to be using settings at chart, and you can do that by going into your settings right here and making sure that all the inputs are set to chart. This is going to give you the trend for the specific time frame that you're currently on. So with that said, let's start off with the first requirement. So the first requirement requires that you identify direction of momentum using the momentum indicator. If you guys are not familiar with the momentum indicator, it is these vertical lines, the green and red. So as you can see over here, the most recent momentum signal is going to be for a buy, right? So with that said, we can confirm that the direction of momentum is bullish. That's going to be step 1. For step 2, you want to confirm the trend, and you want to make sure that it's matching the direction of momentum using the pivots indicator. So in order for you to identify the direction of the trend, you want to make sure that price is above or below the pivots. The pivots are these 4 lines right here that are following price. And as you can see over here, price is above the pivots are angling up, and they're all spread out. So this is going to confirm that the trend is currently bullish with regard to the pivots. Going to step 3. You want to confirm the trend is matching the direction using the trend meter. So as I mentioned earlier, for the trend meter down below, you're going to change the settings to chart, so it'll show you the trend for the 1 minute time frame. And as you can see down below, it's currently green. So this is going to confirm that the trend is bullish with regard to the trend meter as well. So step 1 through 3 has been met. Next, you'll go to step 4. Step 4, you want to confirm a directional push in that direction. So basically, you want to look for a directional push after the momentum. We have a green bullish momentum right here, and you can see that price is pushing to the upside, right? That's going to confirm a push in the direction of momentum. Going to step 5, you want to confirm a pullback in the opposite direction. And this is really simple. To confirm a pullback, you just want to confirm an opposite signal or an opposite candle. So as you can see over here, you have a buy signal, price pushes up. This would be a pullback. Price pushes up. This would be a pullback. Price pushes up. There's a red candle right here. This would be a pullback. Again, right here, price pushes up. This red candle right here would be a pullback. So with that said, this is going to be step 5 right here. So step 1, bullish momentum. Step 2, bullish pivots. Step 3, bullish trend meter. Step 4, confirm a directional push, which happened right here to the upside. Step 5, confirm retracement. Pullback right here. Now moving on to step 6, you want to confirm that the pullback does not close past the momentum signal. So you can see over here that these earlier pullbacks did not count because these over here pulled past the momentum signal, which was right here, right? So with that said, these are pretty much relevant. This right here did pull back, but didn't provide an entry. And now over here, this is pulling back, and it's now setting up for an entry right here. So going back through the steps, momentum is bullish. Step 2, bullish pivots. Step 3, bullish trend meter. Step 4, bullish push in that direction. Step 5, pullback in the opposite direction. Step 6, confirm the pullback does not close past the momentum signal. You can see the pullback is up here. Momentum's down here. Everything lines up. Step 7, you're going to enter at the nearest whole number ending with 0. So basically, looking from where price is currently at, this candle closed at 37,592. So your entry is going to be at the 90 mark right here. That's where the levels indicator comes in handy, because once you have this on, you'll know exactly where you're going to make your entry from. So once you have that set up right there, you're going to go and place your buy limit order right here. You're going to set your TP stop loss to 1025. Once you have it set up like that, you're now just going to wait for price to come down, fill your order, and go to your TP. Simple as that. Looking at this here, we'll move forward. You can see price fills your order super quickly and blasts right through to your TP. So there goes an example of a momentum pullback scalp. Looking at the notes over here, a couple other things that you have to look for. You want to make sure that the ATR is above 15 or above. You can see it's at 17 right now. So this is going to confirm that it meets criteria. Right, you just want it above 15 so that there's some volatility, so that you're not holding on to a position that's just going back and forth for an extended period. You want it to fill your order super quickly and go straight to your TP like it did here. One other thing that I want to cover is right here on step 8. So it says to set your TP stop loss to 1025 or 100, 250. depending on what you're calculating it by. If you're doing it by points, it's 1025 like it is right here. But if you're doing it by pips, it's going to be 100 and 250, which you're just adding a zero to it. The next part right here, it says, or exit if an opposite signal closes. So going over to this chart over here, here's an example of when an opposite signal closes. So let me go over here real quick, show you the example. All right, so again, first step, momentum right here for a sell, you're looking for a sell. Pivots over here are bearish. You can see prices below the pivots. Pivots are angling down. That's step 2. Step 3, confirm that the trend is matching with the trend meter. Trend meter down below is red. Step 4, confirm a directional push in that direction. Here goes a directional push. Step 5, you want to confirm a pullback in the opposite direction. So right here, price pulls back. And now at this point, your entry is going to be right here at the 40 mark, right? So let the trade run through. It fills right there. So the only 2 ways to get out of this trade is if it hits your stop loss or if you get an opposite signal. So we currently have a sell signal right here. If you get a buy signal, you're supposed to pull out of the position. So let's move forward a little bit. You can see right here that we get an opposite signal and it comes right back to break even, right? So at this point, you're supposed to pull out of your position and just break even. No profit, no loss. Get out of it, wait for the next one. So that's pretty much step 8 right there. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions regarding the strategy, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, if you guys don't, I'll see you guys back here in the next video.